Hello again, you're watching Eric Deters World News. This is Jamie Spindley. Today's latest headlines. 5 US Marine soldiers missing after a helicopter crash in the California mountains during training flight to the Marine Corps Air Station, Miramar. Israel's Prime Minister Netanyahu rejects Hamas ceasefire terms and seeks total victory in Gaza and describes negotiations have stalled. In other news, 5 killed, 27 miners missing in a landslide in southern Philippines mining village. More information to follow. And 9 dead, including 2 children, in a militant attack in Pakistan during general elections. Mobile services suspended and borders closed for security. That's the headlines. Until tomorrow, cheerio.